Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a number grid. First, let's gather our simple supplies. You will need a piece of paper, a trusty ruler, and a sharp pencil. Before drawing, decide on the overall size of your grid. A common choice is a 10 by 10 grid, which gives you 100 individual squares. Thinking about the number of rows and columns beforehand makes the next steps much smoother. Now, let's get to drawing. Begin by drawing a long, straight horizontal line near the top of your paper. Use your ruler to ensure it is perfectly straight. Next, mark off equal intervals along this line. 1 inch or 2 centimeters works well for many grids. Then, draw parallel horizontal lines below the first, matching your chosen intervals. Finally, draw vertical lines connecting these, forming your perfect grid of squares. With your grid drawn, it's time to fill it with numbers. Start with the number 1 in the very first square, located at the top left corner. Then, systematically move across the first row, writing 2, 3, 4, and so on. Once you reach the end of a row, simply drop down to the beginning of the next row and continue the sequence. Make sure each number is clear and fits neatly within its square. Your number grid is now complete, but don't stop there. You can easily customize it. Try starting with a different number than 1, or count by 2s, 5s, or 10s instead of 1s. You could also use different colored pencils or markers to highlight specific numbers or patterns within your grid. These grids are fantastic tools for teaching counting, playing games, or even tracking personal goals over a period of time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.